How do I choose the best nebulizer kit? Different nebulizer kits function equally well, and so personal preference should guide you in your choice. The main consideration is whether you would prefer a kit with a mouthpiece or mask. Most nebulizers will work with any nebulizer kit. Kits can be disposable or reusable, and small variations ensure ease of use. Nebulizer kits are normally inexpensive and can be obtained easily. The type of nebulizer and nebulizer accessories usually make no difference to the choice of one kit over another. The two most common types of kits use either a mouthpiece or a nebulizer mask. Both can be connected with tubing to the nebulizer depending on your needs. A nebulizer kit with a mouthpiece is usually preferable, especially for jet-type nebulizers. The nebulizer solution can be placed closer to the user and more of the medication is actually inhaled because there is less for the mist to cling to on its way to the lungs. The kit is constructed in a T-shape, and the base of the T has the reservoir for the solution, and as air or oxygen travels across the top, a venturi converts the liquid to a mist. Portable nebulizers that use ultrasonic means of aerosol production are normally fitted so that the device itself along with the reservoir is at the base of the T. As the patient inhales, the vacuum created by the flow of air carries the mist into the lungs. This device ensures effective administration of the medication. Children or users who cannot keep a mouthpiece in place for the duration of the treatment may need a nebulizer kit that uses a mask. The mask is secured to the face with an elastic band. The mist is produced from a reservoir that is attached to the mask to ensure the greatest amount of medication possible is inhaled by the patient and not deposited on surface of the kit or the tubing that may be used to supply oxygen or positive airway pressure. Your choice of a disposable or reusable nebulizer kit probably depends upon the expected frequency of treatment, and whether they will be needed for an extended period of time. Disposable kits can be reused dozens of times with proper cleaning and maintenance. A permanent or durable nebulizer kit may be used hundreds of times, however. If more than one person uses the nebulizer, a disposable kit may be preferable, as sharing a kit is not recommended.